Hello guys, this is Hitech Talk. So in this video, I will show you how to use Instagram new feature, that is Instagram new sticker, join chat sticker in Instagram stories. So I will show you on this video how to use this and also how to get this feature in your Instagram account. So I will show you on my mobile screen how to use this. So first of all, you need to open your Instagram account. So this is my Instagram page. If you like, you can follow me over there. So first of all, you need to click on the home icon and you need to click on the camera icon. So from the camera icon, you can select any image. So for now, I'm selecting type and I will take simple hello. I will text and I will click on the next. And before using this feature, don't forget to update your Instagram app. So after this, you need to click on the sticker icon here and you will see the below option. Below the countdown sticker, chat option is here. So once you click on this one, here you can write something like let's chat. And once this is done, you can post this as a Instagram stories. So before this, I have already posted one story, so I will show you from there. Here you can see I have posted this story 30 minutes ago and approx 1400 people viewed this story, and here you can see total 147 requests I have received for a conversation chat. So how you can do, you can click on the top right here. You can select all those users by clicking on the one click, or else you can select manually to whom you want to put in the chat here. So once you will click on the start chat here, this group has been created. Okay, so here you can chat with anyone. Here I will click on the send, and after that, if you think you want to exit from this group or you want to close this chat, then you can click on this sticker. Here you can see, here you will see the option as mute message, mute video chat, approval request to join. If you will close this one, you don't need to accept any request, this will be approved manually. And below, once you will come below, here you can see, as you can see, I'm getting so many messages here. You can also add members here manually, and if you think you want to exit this group, you can also exit this group here. So by clicking on so once you post a stories, your friends and your followers need to click on this sticker, join chat, and it will be requested and you will receive approval. Then after that you can start a group chat. So this was all about a new feature. If you like this video, please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.